Hello guys, mko poa? Pia mimi niko fiti. Ni yule jamaa wenu Nestos Masharia. Yeah, and niko hapa tena. By the way, kwa wenye wajani subscribe, please guza hiyo icon ya subscription. Nitashukuru sana. Watch, like, share, comment pia. Nitashukuru by the way. And for those wenye wamenishikilia, endeleeni kunishikilia. We are growing by the way. So asanteni sana for those wenye wame subscribe, na for you mwenye ananitazama na haja subscribe, please subscribe for me na nitashukuru sana. So for today tunaendelea na class ya Law and Governance. So have your notebook, your pen. Tuanzie mahali tuliachia juzi. So juzi tuliachia nationality or citizenship. Nataka tumalizie hii topic 2, tuanzie topic 3 next time. So mahali uliachia tunaanzia hapo, nationality. Na kama ndio unajiunga na sisi, endelea kuwatch. Tumekuwa na some classes and we have written some few notes, so please catch up with us and I know itakusaidia sana. So kwa wenye fee ni sometimes inakuwa stress, so tafuta data kidogo, go through this videos of mine. By the way, zitakusaidia sana na si refu, as they take a lot of your data. So ukiwa na wifi pia, watch, take notes. Exam is just around the corner next month, hapo 24th nasikia ndio zinaanza. We shall have some few blocks, so jitayarishe pia. So let's proceed. I know you have your pen and a notebook. So our heading, nationality or citizenship. We read something small there. This is the legal and political relationship between an individual and the state or country. It is a legal and political relationship between an individual and the state or country. It describes one's membership. Citizens enjoy certain rights and are subject to various obligations. E.g., a citizen owes allegiance to the head of state or governance. Citizens may be compelled to perform certain public duties. Nationals are entitled to vote and have the right of protection where they are. The law relating to nationality is municipal or national law. In Kenya, citizenship is provided for by the Constitution and the Kenya Citizenship Act. So subheading, acquisition of nationality. How can you acquire nationality, particularly here in Kenya? So under the Constitution of Kenya, a person may become a citizen of Kenya in any of the following ways. Number 1, birth, kuzaliwa. 2, descent. 3, registration. 4, naturalization. And we shall start with number 1, which is common, nationality by birth. So a person may become a citizen of Kenya by birth in the following circumstances. 1, a person born in Kenya before 11th December 1963 became a citizen on 12th December 1963 if either parent was born in Kenya. So after Kenya ilipata independence, wenye wote walikuwa hapa, wamezaliwa hapa, wazazi wao walikuwa wa Kenya, they attained citizenship in that particular day. Second, a person born in Kenya after 11th December 1963 became a citizen of Kenya at birth if either parent is a citizen of Kenya. So kama ulizaliwa after independence na mzazi wako alikuwa Mkenya, so automatically you become a Kenyan. Yes? So number 2, that was number 1, nationality by birth. So number 2, nationality by descent. By descent, so descent is D-E-S-C-E-N-T. Descent. A person become a citizen of Kenya by descent in the following circumstances. 1. A person born outside Kenya before 11th December 1963 became a citizen of Kenya on 12th December 1963 if the father became or would have became a citizen of Kenya by birth but for his death. Yes? So hapa, if the father became or would have become a citizen of Kenya by birth but for his death. Yes? Baba alikufa lakini alifaa kuwa Mkenya. So automatically become a Kenyan citizen. A person born outside Kenya after 11th December 1963 become citizen of Kenya at birth if the father is a citizen of Kenya. Yes? Unazaliwa outside the country, lakini baba yako in that particular date, December 1963, alifaa kuwa Mkenya, so automatically you become a Kenyan. So number 3, nationality, that is foreigners and aliens. How can an alien or a foreigner become a Kenyan citizen? Who is a foreigner, by the way? A foreigner are persons not native or nationalized in the country in question. Who is an alien? Alien are residents born or belonging to another country who have not acquired citizenship by nationality. So they may become citizens of Kenya by registration or nationalization. Nationality by registration. Nationality by registration. So, under the provision of the Constitution, the following categories of persons may be registered as citizens of Kenya on application to the minister. 1. That is by registration. So, una register through the minister, foreign affairs or registrar. Ama huyu defense, interior. Sorry, not defense but interior. So 1. A woman married to a citizen of Kenya is entitled on application to be registered as a citizen. Yes, the application may be made during the lifetime of her husband. So, kama umeoa mwanamke to a citizen, a woman married to a citizen of Kenya, so bwana yako ni Mkenya, unaenda pale unaregister kwa interior na unakuwa Mkenya. A citizen of the Commonwealth who has been lawful and ordinarily resident in Kenya for not less than 5 years. So the Commonwealth countries, yeah, zenye zilikoloniziwa na Muingereza, unaenda pale unaregister, ujakaa Kenya for less than 5 years, so it's 5 years and above, unaenda pale unaregister na unakuwa Mkenya. 3. A citizen of any African country which permits Kenyans to be registered as her own citizens, who has been lawfully and ordinarily resident in Kenya for at least 5 years. 4. A person born outside Kenya but whose mother is a citizen of Kenya. Okay? A person born in Kenya before 11th December 1963 if neither parent was born in Kenya. So kama umezaliwa hapa Kenya na wazazi hakuna hata mmoja Mkenya, you register and become one of us. So heading, nationality by naturalization. That was by registration. Now by naturalization. Nationalization. So nationalization is N-A-T-U-R-A-I-R-I-Z-A-T-I-O-N. Any foreigner may become a national of Kenya by naturalization. Acquisition of nationality by naturalization is preceded by a formal application. Section 93 bracket 1 of the Constitution sets the minimum conditions an applicant must fulfill. Subheading, the minister must be satisfied that the applicant one, has attained the age of 21, so you cannot naturalize before you have attained 21 years, is of good character, has acquired knowledge of the Swahili language, intends to continue residing in Kenya if naturalized. So see you register and then after some few days una leave the country na unaenda. 5. Has been ordinarily and lawfully resident in Kenya for 12 months immediately preceding the application. 6. Has been ordinarily and lawfully resident in Kenya for a period of 4 years or for periods amounting in the aggregate to not less than 4 years during the 7 years immediately preceding the 12 months in 5 above. Yes, umekuwa unaishi hapa for 12 months before you apply to be a Kenyan citizen. Yes, so those are some of the satisfactions zenye minister lazima satisfied ukuwe nationalized. The minister may grant certificate of naturalization whereupon the applicant becomes a Kenyan citizen. So, loss of nationality. How can you lose nationality? 1. Renunciation. Renunciation is R-E-N-U-N-C-I-A-T-I-O-N. Renunciation. 2. Lapsing. Lapsing. Kuisha. 3. Revocation or deprivation. So, start with number 1. Renunciation. Under section 6 bracket 1 of the Kenyan Citizen Act, a person who is a citizen of Kenya as well as some other country may renounce his Kenyan citizenship by completing Form L on whose registration the person ceases to be a Kenyan citizen. However, under section 6 bracket 2 of the Act, the minister may decline to register the renunciation if 1. It is made during a period of war in which Kenya was engaged. 2. He is satisfied it is contrary to public policy of Kenya. Number 2, that was renunciation. Number 2, how you can lose nationality is lapsing of nationality. Inaisha. Under section 97 bracket 1 of the Constitution, a person who on attaining the age of 21 is a citizen of Kenya, as well as some other country loses his Kenyan citizenship automatically if he does not, within the prescribed duration, 1. Renounces the nationality of that other country. Renounces the nationality of that other country. 2. Take the oath of allegiance. Take the oath of allegiance. 3. Make and register a declaration of his intention to continue residing in Kenya. So, number 3, how you can lose nationality? It's revocation or deprivation of nationality. So, a person who is a citizen of Kenya by nationalization or registration may lose his nationality status at the instance of the minister. The minister is empowered to revoke the nationality if any of the grounds set out in section 94(1) of the Constitution is justified. The grounds are 1. Disloyalty / disaffection. Disloyalty or disaffection. So we shall stop there for today. I look for the other part of the notes kama zangu zimekatikia hapo, and we shall meet here next time. And please, kama hujani subscribe here, please subscribe, like, share, watch, comment. Aki, I will be very thankful, very grateful, and I will appreciate a lot. Na kama hujaelezea your neighbor, usiache ateseke. Let's meet here, tusaidiane. Tumesema the exam is around the corner. Next month, si far sana. So read, reread, and read again. And read to understand. So si kusoma tu, read to understand. Your exam ikifika, you'll be in a position to tackle any question yenye examiner atakuuliza. Thank you very much for today. Let's meet at another time. Thank you very much.